Goat app tutorial. How to use Goat app, Alias app. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Goat app, and this is what the interface actually looks like. So if you're looking to make some purchases, or if you're looking to sell, the Goat app is actually a great place to do so. So first of all, we have the home section right over here, and you can sort of have a look at a bunch of different styles of shoes, and you can go ahead and you can select any one of those if you would like to make a purchase. The second thing is on the bottom of the screen there is a styles tab, and here you can actually browse by styles. So as you can see here, this is a particular designer, and right over here we've got some street styles, and then you can tap on view all right at the top of the right hand side of the screen, and you can see the entire collection right over here. It's pretty wild fashion, and I think it's quite awesome. The next thing is, if you carry on down the page, you will see some highlights, monthly highlights. You can have some first looks of some designs over here, and then there are different styles. As you go down, you can tap on the view all, and you can see all of the catalogs from that particular stylist or that particular designer. Going again now to the bottom, we have the search bar. So now right over here, you can see that there are some just dropped items over here. And then you can also go over to the top of the page. There's a search bar, and you can go ahead and you can search anything you'd like. So let us go in and let us search for these Jordan 4s. As you can see here, it brings up a bunch of search results, and you can go straight into an item just like this by tapping on it. And you can see that we have some images, and what's quite nice is there are quite a few images of each one of these items, so you can really get a good look of what you're purchasing. It also has the title up front, the brand, release date, the SKU, and then also it has a nickname, colorway, and material, technology, and all the other different bits and pieces over there, including the designer. Then you have all your product details, and then the shipping and returns policy, and then you have the option either to sell these items, or you can purchase the item either by purchasing or making a bid on the item. And then you can also share this just by tapping share right over there. You'll get a link to this page, and you can share to whoever you need to. Then you also have the on-feet styles. So this is a way that you can show off how to wear these actual shoes. So that's quite awesome. So you can upload some images of you actually wearing these shoes, and then there are some recommendations as well. Right, going now to back to this sort of main page, your home page, you have the sell button right at the bottom over here, and it says you'll be emailed when some of your sales have been reviewed. So that's fine. We're not going to get into that right now. The last tab right on the bottom on the right hand side, you have your profile settings. So at the top you have your wants, and this is everything that you would like to purchase, including purchases as well as bids or offers. Then you have offers over here, and then we have owns. This is what you actually own. And then we have storage. These are all your storage details right over here. You get some inspiration, and then all of your orders right over here in the bottom of the page. So just to show you quickly, let's go into the search tab right over here at the bottom, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to tap on this very first shoe right at the top of here. Just to give you a quick run through, there's a pull up menu at the bottom, and right over here you can pretty much manage everything that you'd like to do. If you are purchasing only for yourself, you pretty much can go down to the bottom of this page and you can add a size. So this is your particular size for the particular brand, and either for men or women, youth, infant, and so forth. So you can actually choose a particular size for your particular brand, and you can customize when you're purchasing. You don't have to choose an individual size per product. So for now, we're just going to go back there. on this menu over here, you can see now that there are the details of this actual item. So over here, it says your shopping region is the United States, and it also says there are applicable costs included with no additional charges upon delivery. So the first thing that you have is the under retail option, which is the best price, and this ships to the GOAT first for verification. So it doesn't get shipped directly to you, it gets shipped to the GOAT warehouse. Then we have for $164, which is a little bit more. It is instant and it is new in the box. It is pre-verified and ready to be shipped with priority processing, which would be shipped directly to the shipping address of your choice. So whichever one you choose here, basically you can go into, so let's choose this first one. We tap on select, and now you have the option to go ahead and choose your payment method. You can also choose your shipping address, and then it also states again that this item will be shipped to the GOAT warehouse, and that is a standard $14.50. The delivery estimates valid for orders shipping to contiguous US only. So again, we can put this into storage if we'd like. We can just tap on that. However, you do need a store. So if you are a trader, this will be something that you will have set up. Then you have a subtotal with your shipping and your total, and right at the bottom you have a swipe to pay button, and all you have to do is run your finger across that. You can swipe and you can make the purchase, and all of those details will be filled out. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one. Cheers for now.